Chitchat English.
Stop sign.
Why did you stop?
There's a stop sign.
Even though no cars are coming?
Yes, we must stop completely.
Yield.
Do we stop here?
No, we just yield.
So we slow down and look.
Exactly.
Speed limit.
What's the speed limit here?
It's 60 kilometers per hour. I'm driving too fast then.
Yes, slow down.
No parking.
Can I park here?
No, parking is not allowed.
Oh, I didn't see the sign.
Let's find another place.
Parking allowed.
Is parking okay here?
Yes, parking is allowed.
Great, I'll park now.
Make sure to lock the car.
Pedestrian crossing.
Why are you slowing down?
There's a pedestrian crossing.
Even though no cars are coming?
Yes, we should wait for people crossing.
School zone.
Why are you driving so slowly?
This is a school zone.
Are children crossing?
Safety is important here.
No entry.
Can we go this way?
No, it's no entry.
Oh, so we need to turn back. Yes, this road is closed.
One way.
Is this a one-way road?
Yes, only one direction.
Good thing you noticed.
Always check the signs.
Road work ahead.
Why is traffic slow?
There's road work ahead.
That explains the cones.
Yes, drive carefully.
Slippery road.
Why are you driving carefully?
The road may be slippery.
Is it dangerous?
Yes, especially after rain.
Roundabout.
What's this sign?
It's a roundabout ahead.
Who goes first?
Cars inside the circle.
Traffic light ahead.
Why did you slow down?
There's a traffic light ahead. It might turn red.
Yes, be ready to stop.
No U-turn.
Can I make a U-turn here?
No, it's not allowed.
I see the sign now.
Let's go straight.
Turn left only.
Can I go straight?
No, you must turn left.
Oh, I missed that sign.
It happens.
Turn right only.
Why are you signaling right?
The sign says turn right only.
Okay, I understand.
Follow the lane.
No horn.
Why didn't you use the horn?
It's not allowed here.
Really?
Yes, look at the sign.
Hospital zone.
Why is everyone driving slowly?
This is a hospital area.
Oh, no noise.
Exactly.
Railway crossing.
What's that sign?
Railway crossing ahead.
Should we stop?
Yes, if a train is coming.
Animal crossing.
Why is this sign here?
Animals may cross the road.
Like cows or deer?
Yes, exactly.
Dead end.
Is this road okay?
No, it's a dead end.
So we need to turn back?
Yes.
Narrow road.
Why is the road so tight?
It becomes narrow ahead.
Only one car at a time?
Yes, be careful.
No pedestrians.
Can I walk here?
No, pedestrians aren't allowed.
Oh, I didn't know.
Use the sidewalk.
Bump ahead.
Why did the car jump?
There's a bump ahead.
You should slow down.
Yes, definitely.
Two-way traffic.
Cars are coming from both sides.
Yes, it's two-way traffic.
I need to be careful.
Always watch both sides.
No overtaking.
Can I pass this car?
No, overtaking is not allowed.
Okay, I'll stay behind.
Good choice.
Bus stop.
Why did you stop here?
This is a bus stop. People are waiting.
Yes, give them space.
Cyclists ahead.
Why are you slowing down?
Cyclists may be ahead.
I see them now. Keep a safe distance.
No motorbikes.
Can motorbikes enter here?
No, they're not allowed.
Only cars then?
Yes.
Toll road.
What's that booth ahead?
It's a toll road.
Do we need to pay? Yes, we do.
Low bridge.
Why are trucks stopping?
The bridge is low.
Is it dangerous?
For tall vehicles, yes.
Emergency vehicles.
Why did everyone move aside?
An emergency vehicle is coming.
Oh, I hear the siren. Let it pass.